Well, I think, first of all, we've also got to put into the mix here the policy response, which I think has been an important part of the rally in markets. But I suspect at the end of the day that the degree of reopening that occurs is going to be extremely limited. If you look at what has happened in country by country around the world, and starting with China, the pickup of economic activity is actually quite small. So we're not getting this sort of idea of a V-shaped recovery. It's actually a very gradual recovery. And I think we will be walking a tightrope for some time in terms of secondary outbreaks and activity opening and then closing down and reopening. And I think that reality eventually will bring the markets back down again.
So just walk us through the strategy with different asset classes on the basis of that call, Paul. When do you think it happens and how do you allocate around it?
I mean, what we are doing at the moment is, and partly taking account of where the different asset groups are from a valuation perspective, I'm actually quite cautious on equities because they've had a big bounce, and the valuations for me are not suggestive of something that you would expect in this sort of recession, this kind of unprecedented recession. So I'm cautious on equity markets. I actually think, although real estate clearly is going to be badly impacted by this, you haven't seen the sort of rebound in real estate that you've seen in equities. So I think there is actually better value there. And I think there is better value in industrial commodities and oil in particular, which has been badly impacted, and oil-related assets, so oil and gas stocks, for example. But if you're looking for what I call an all-weather asset class, the one that keeps popping up for us, no matter which sort of scenario we look at, is investment-grade credit. So you can lose money on investment-grade credit in the worst scenarios, but when we optimize the returns, no matter which scenario we look at, the optimizer always tells us to be maximum allocated to investment grade.